Hello one and all. This is Gauri and you are watching Laputra official YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about when a person can be arrested without warrant, without any prior permission of a magistrate. Okay, to discuss about this, let me define what is an first of all arrest. Arrest is an seizing a person or taking a person into custody by lawful authority is known as an arrest. Okay, arrest is that. But when an arrest can be taken place? A arrest can be taken place in the situations where if a person done any offense. Offense means what? Offense is an act which is prohibited by law or prevented by doing any person because to maintain public tranquility and peace in the society. Okay, this is the definition of an offense. But how many types of offenses are there? There are two types of offenses. One is cognizable and other one is non-cognizable. Cognizable offenses are those which a person can be arrested without any warrant. That is known as cognizable arrest warrant. Cognizable offenses. And non-cognizable offenses are those offenses with which a person can't be arrested without warrant, without any prior permission of an magistrate. So today our topic is, it revolves around the cognizable offenses. So let me clarify your doubt according to the cognizable offenses, or what are those offenses which comes under these offenses, such as theft, murder, voluntary throwing acid or grievous hurt, culpable homicide, murder. All these comes under the cognizable offenses according to the first schedule of the CRPC. CRPC is an Criminal Procedure Code 1953. It is a procedural code. So there are the two types of laws, substantive laws and procedure codes. Substantive laws are those laws which there is a body with rules and regulations which gives us what is right. A person can be taken into the custody when he act according to the situations which is prohibited by law. Those are the substantive laws. It is just a rules and regulations, that's all, like IPC. So we can get punishment, so fine, etc. in substantive law. But in procedural codes, whereas we get procedure. For example, if anything done by person, it will be proceed according to this law only in the court. According to procedural code only, person get punished. So these are the two laws. Okay, this is the procedural code and substantive law. Today we are discussing when a person can be arrested. No. So when a person can be arrested without warrant is, there are some circumstances defined by the CRPC according to the section 41. According to the section 41, which define that there are the certain circumstances, such as first circumstances is if a person, take an example, if A thefted B jewelry and escaped from that place in front of the B's eyes, and there is no instant take on that because it is an instant process. So there a policeman had observed, so he can instantly arrest that person because there is no complaint or anything else. He has witnessed that theft, so directly he can arrest. So first circumstances is when a police officer observed the cognizable offense, then he definitely arrest. Second circumstances is when a person with credible information, with supportive proof has got according to the person, which says that that person has committed any wrong. So in that circumstances also that person can be arrested. Here means suspicion is the second ground. Third thing is investigation. To investigate any person regarding some wrong, some offense, that person can be arrested. Fourth circumstance is when a police officer get knowledge that if he did not arrest that person, he is not going to submit himself in front of court, which is an important. which is according to law. So that is the another circumstances. And next circumstances is where if a person done any, if does not done any mistake, even though he can be arrested, because to prevent him to doing any another mistake. So coming to last situation. So if a person A has committed theft or murder, A has committed murder, so B has close relationship with the A, that's why A has arrested definitely. So B, to tamper the evidence, maybe he can take any move, so that's why to prevent him to arising any evidence, he can also be arrested. B can also be arrested. This is the last situation. These are the circumstances where according to CRPC a person can be arrested without any warrant, without any magistrate permission. So not only 41 says about this, also 151 section also says that it is a preventive detention to prevent any person from committing any offense for the commission of an mistake, commission of an offense. So these are the 41 and 151 of the sections of an CRPC 1973. Hope you guys understand this topic. So thank you.